These demons in my mind are right. I fail to recognize that I control their appetite.
G'day isolators, back today again with another quick and easy recipe. Today, kangaroo jerky. I'm sure you like beef jerky. Today we're going to use some make some kangaroo jerky. Very expensive if you were to buy it from a shop. Not so much if you're going to make it yourself. So we got some lovely kangaroo leg primals from the guys at Macro Meats. Thanks for that. Got the chopping block. We're going to use some cracked pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, and some honey, soy and garlic marinade. Grab out your kangaroo primals. Okay. It's a kangaroo rump there, so what we're going to do is slice him thin. Thin steaks like this. Get your bit of sinew off the top or down the bottom, and that's fine. You can still use that for jerky. I'm going to give it to my dog. What we're doing is cutting thin steaks. Again, like we made the Sangcho bao the other day, you could buy the kangaroo primals and mince them if you were after some kangaroo mince. Like I said, sometimes exotic minces are harder to find. So if that's the case, just mince them yourself. Okay, now I've got this kangaroo cut very thin, as you see. Bit of a kangaroo flank here. So there we go, we've got our thinly sliced kangaroo steaks. Now what we do is we're going to marinate them. Got my trusty old saucepan here. So we want a good layer of salt and pepper, a liberal layer of salt. In goes the kangaroo, cover him with some more salt, crack him with some pepper. And that's it, we're just going to layer in our kangaroo, like so. Sprinkle him with some salt and pepper. And what that's going to do, that's going to draw a lot of the moisture out, as well as help preserve it. Liberal layer of salt, liberal layer of pepper, another layer of kangaroo. Once you've got this done, We're going to cover it in honey soy marinade, and we're going to leave it in the fridge for at least an hour to soak up the marinade. Once we get towards the end of the hour, you want to preheat your oven as low as it can go. So it's about 90 degrees, just under 100 degrees Celsius. Preheat our oven, and then we're going to hanger it up by some skewers and slowly roast it away. Okay, once we have our kangaroo layered in with salt and pepper, layer by layer, I'm going to take the honey soy and garlic marinade and just liberally pour him over so it covers up all the kangaroo. Now we've got kangaroo steaks soaking in pink rock salt, cracked pepper, honey soy and garlic marinade. We'll let him soak for a good hour. Okay, we've got the oven heating. We've had the kangaroo marinating in the honey soy, garlic, cracked pepper and pink Himalayan salt for about an hour now. Now if you can't find kangaroo, or you can't find beef primals to cut thin, or you don't have a sharp knife to use to cut thin, all you need to do is buy some minute steak or some really thin steak. Give it a bit of a tenderize, bash it out with a mallet, marinate it, and then we're going to hang it up in the oven. So the oven's heating, pull the rack out. Now this is what I do. Grab a couple of skewers like we had the other day for our lamb koftas. Now we're going to thread the meat onto the skewer. So there we go. Once we put that rack back in, the meat will just be hanging. You want to leave some distance in between so the air can circulate and dry out the meat. That's one. I've got another one here. Last one. There we go. I'll let the sauce just quickly drip off that before we put him back in the oven. We're going to leave him in the oven like that for about 10 hours. So they dry right out. Like so. Jerky's been in the oven for a good 8 hours now. You'll be able to tell when it's dried all the way through. It shrinks up at least half the size from the water weight. Now we just pull these off the racks. slide them off the skewers. So 600 gram original weight, we've left with 250 grams of kangaroo jerky. Grab your knife out, slice it into jerky squares. Yum, nice honey sweet kangaroo jerky.